Hello, YouTubers. I'm gonna continue my PS install and configure app. Now I'm working on a PSM for SSH installation, which is configuring CyberArk PSM SSH proxy server. First thing, we need to log into our PSMP server. We're gonna log in as root account, root user. This is a CentOS 6.4 version. First, we need to add account. We already downloaded installation folder with installation file. So let's change a little bit the scenes into a vault information. So the vault will be 10.0.1. Save the configuration. Now we'll change the credential file, create a credential file for the building administrator. This building administrator user will authenticate to the vault and create the vault environment during the installation. Here is the command. User.c using administrator account. More or less, gonna keep it the same. Now we can change our sample parameters file to temp folder. Modify it. After Q exclamation mark to quit, save the file and quit. Now we can start to run the installation. There's some warning message, you can safely ignore that. Check the PSMP part. Yeah, there's one more thing we need to change on our insert. Now save the configuration and run the installation file again. PSMP couldn't start. Make sure the installation folder, installation parameters was set correctly. Yeah, my mistake here. I got the wrong folder name here, proxy. Now should be good. Okay, let installation process. We'll complete it successfully. Now we can take a look at the service. MP data is running. We also can take a look at the log. You also can look at the vault. This PSMP app with a host name gonna be added into the users and the groups. Now we are going to go back to our PVWA and adding those PSMP, SSH, and PSM PSCP connection components to our target platform, which is our Unix platform. PSMP H. The second platform, second component, PSM PCP. Table configuration. Now we're gonna use Putty to do these changes, to test these changes. We're gonna connect into 10.0.0.20. That's our Linux server, but we're gonna using our PSMP proxy, PSM proxy, which is 10.0.1.16. So here is how we're gonna use it. 0.1, we're gonna using root 0.1 account, and 10.0.0.20 is our target server, and we're gonna using our PSMP 16 to do that. Gonna save this configuration for future, and okay, let open. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna type the password. It doesn't work because we need to start the service since we made the changes on our PSWA server. So we're gonna go back to our target PSMP server. And first thing we're gonna look at IP 10.0.1.16. So make sure that is our right server. We start the service. Service restart, service, okay. Go back to PWA, component server. Gonna load this configuration one. You can see this session is being recorded. So that means we are using our PSM to do connection right now. Sure. Look at the IP. We logged in our target server 10.0.0.20. That's our target. So one thing we can verify is the recording. Nice. We're gonna using a different auditor account to log in regular recording here. Our last session, Linux admin. Can play the video. That's what exactly we did. Exit the second command. That's all for SSH proxy, PSM proxy configuration. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.